How's it going? My name is Serge. I've been working with Bob Baritz, I want to say about 6 to 8 months. I came here because my energy seemed a little bit lower, and now I've definitely improved tremendously. The vitamins have been great, the assessments have been awesome, and the experience has been a lot of fun. One of my biggest takeaways, one of my biggest wins throughout this process is I used eye drops for years on a daily basis. I want to say at minimum 5 times a day to sometimes 10 times a day. And it became such a habit that I didn't even address this concern to Bob when I first started visiting him. We got to a point where I started feeling a lot better. My energy went up, and he asked me, like, is there anything else you wish to address? And then it just popped into my mind, oh, can you do something about my eyes? Not thinking that he could do anything about it, because I had originally gone to an eye doctor. The reason why I used the eye drops is because I had LASIK surgery a couple years back, and my eye doctor put me on this medication to prevent me from using the eye drops. That medication didn't work. He gave me another medication. That didn't work. Another medication. That didn't work. It got to a point where he suggested I started getting IPL facials, which is like an intense pulse light, something like that. It hurts a lot, as he thought that that would re-stimulate my tear ducts producing tears. So I went through like 3 of these facials, zapping my face. That didn't work. So I just gave up on him. Like, all right, I'm just gonna take these eye drops and that's it. Fast forward, I mentioned this to Bob, and Bob says, try this little acupressure technique, tap on the tips of your ears 25 times, 3 times a day. And I'm like, yeah, okay. So I do it, and after 2 days, I realized, whoa, I used my eye drops once today. And then the next day, I used my eye drops once. And then the next day, no drops at all. And then the day after that, no drops at all. It got to a point where it was like a week with no drops. I used them once. Now it's been, I want to say, about 2 months I have not used eye drops. So I'm absolutely blown away by the effectiveness of the program, and I highly recommend it to all my friends, and for anyone, the holistic approach is the way to go. So thank you, Bob. This has been awesome.